The Law of Æthelberht is a set of legal provisions written in Old English, probably dating to the early 7th century. It originates in the Kingdom of Kent, and is the first Germanic-language law code. It is also thought to be the earliest example of a document written in English, though extant only in an early 12th century manuscript, Textus Roffensis. The code is concerned primarily with preserving social harmony, through compensation and punishment for personal injury. Compensations are arranged according to social rank, descending from king to slave. The initial provisions of the code offer protection to the church. Though the latter were probably innovations, much of the remainder of the code may be derived from earlier legal custom transmitted orally. Manuscript, additions and translations. There is only one surviving manuscript of Ethelbert's law, Textus Roffensis, or the Rochester Book. The Kentish laws occupy folios 1v to 6v, of which Ethelbert's has 1v to 3v. This is a compilation of Anglo-Saxon laws, lists and genealogies drawn together in the early 1120s. Half a millennium after Ethelbert's law is thought to have been first written down. Ethelbert's law precedes the other Kentish law codes, which themselves precede various West Saxon and English royal legislation, as well as charters relating to Rochester Cathedral. Ethelbert's law is written in the same hand as the laws of other Kentish monarchs. The compilation was produced at the instigation of Ernulf, Bishop of Rochester, friend of the Lord Bishop Ivo of Chartres. Ernulf was a legally minded bishop like Ivo, a canon lawyer and judge. He was responsible for commissioning copies of the Anglo-Saxon Chronicle at Canterbury Cathedral Priory and Peterborough Abbey, as prior and abbot respectively. Francis State made a transcription of Textus Roffensis. C. 1589, which survives as British Museum Memescot Julius C. Henry Spellman, Ecclesiae Morbis Britannici, London, 1639, provided a Latin translation of provisions relating to the Church. In 1640 Johannes Gillet translated the whole code into Latin. Though no original survives, several 18th century authors copied it. The first full edition, with Latin translation, was George Hicks and Humphrey Wanley, Linguarum Vet. Septentrionalium Thesaurus Grammatico Criticus et Archaeologicus, Oxford, 1703-05. Many other Latin translations editions of the Kentish laws or Textus Roffensis followed in the 18th, 19th and 20th centuries, mostly from English and German editors. Notable examples include, Felix Liebermann, Die Gesetze der Angelsachen, Halle, 1897-1916, with German translation Frederick Levi Attenborough. The Laws of the Earliest English Kings, Cambridge, 1922, with English translation Lacey Oliver, The Beginnings of English Law, Toronto, 2002, with English translation, in 2014 Rochester Cathedral and the John Rylands Library of the University of Manchester cooperated to make the complete text available online in facsimile.